Hey guys, today I'll be sharing some tip for buying your first home in the US. So nothing says you are truly an American like owning a home and just over a half of foreign household living in the US on their home. If you're ready to join them, I'm gonna share some 7 tips for American style home buying success. The process here may be quite different from what you are used to. So first of all, you should be ready to prove who you are. If you don't have to get your citizenship, a green card, or any particular type of visa before you buy a home. But you need to take care of some things like an individual taxpayer identification number. There's a number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to foreign nationals who need to file income tax returns. So you need a valid foreign passport or two or more current photo identification such as a driver's license to show who you are. And although property ownership isn't tied to immigration or visa status, there are rules about how long you can stay. So if you're not a seasoned, check out visa requirement before you purchase. So the second step is to plan to get a mortgage. The way you don't have to save your money for years to become a homeowner and start building equity. The US home loan market offers many safe, affordable markets, including one that allow Muslims to buy a home without violating Islamic laws against the paying interest. So, to get a US market, you must establish credit card, and earn a good score to boost your score. Open US bank and credit card accounts. So report all your income onto tax returns. Lenders use tax return to verify your income and decide how much you can afford to borrow a home. So when it's time to apply for a mortgage, you will find major banks with global operations have experience working with foreign buyers and tend to have a process of verifying credit established in other countries. So, I will highly recommend you to work with a certified international property specialist. Make sure your realtor is a certified international property specialist (CIPS) and has experience training and education in helping foreign born home buyers. And experienced real estate or a title attorney can help you protect your interest too. So tell your real estate agent how the home buying process works in your native country and ask him or her to explain the US home buying custom to identify any differences. Even within the US, local differences exist in how people buy and sell homes. Knowing how homes are sold here and what to expect with closing costs, inspection, and the negotiation process reduces your steps and helps you get a good deal on your first home. So I will highly recommend you to don't be shocked by casual attitudes. American casual attitude provides buying or selling real estate is a byproduct of relaxed US business culture. Although real estate contract must be in writing and the process leading up to the sales contract signing may be more informal and casual than it would be in your home country. So you should definitely convert units, learn how to convert from the US standard measurement to metric or pick up a metric converter app so you can better estimate room and home size while shopping. So you should find someone who can translate. If you're not fluent in English or prefer speaking in your native language, choose inspectors, mortgage bankers, realtors fluent in your own language. Although it's possible to get uh, translated copies of standard or real estate document, you will likely have to sign the English version during your home purchase. So you have to create a financial plan for your homes. Consider all the real estate related expense you will have homeowner, including property taxes, homeowners, and maintenance costs and set up a financial plan for your home so you know how much money to set aside and how you can get started. So you should definitely make a competitive offer that's within your budget. Let's say you found a home you want and you can afford. Since you are already approved for a loan, you are ready to make an offer. If you're a first time owner, it may be hard to know how much you should offer. So that's when you can rely on expertise of your real estate agent. Ask your agent to help you make an offer is competitive but also within your budget and the home's value. Be careful not to make an impulsive offer that's higher than you can just afford to knock out of the competition. The personalized letter might help you to offer stand out among multiple bids in a hot market. So you should be able to prepare for closing. So once the seller accepts your offer, the closing process will begin. Keep things running smoothly by knowing what to expect when closing on a house. The average closing process takes 43 days, which gives you plenty of time to tackle closing items and a real estate agent will schedule the remaining step from the home inspection to final walkthrough, and they will keep you informed about any roadblocks as you prepare for closing. Make sure you read every document and ask your real estate agent to explain anything you don't understand, especially before you sign the official contract for the home transaction. It will be your signature on the document, so you will have your one responsible for anything you sign. So, are you ready to get started? And I hope you got some knowledge and tips from this video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and if you have any questions, comment down below.